Thank you for joining us here at Bonnyrigg, where we are about to begin the construction of Canvas.
I'd like to pay my respects to the Cabral people. I've lived in Bonnyrigg most of my life, so this is special today for me as well.
If you haven't been with me this morning, I cannot stop raving about Bonnyrigg and what a cool place it is. It is absolutely beautiful here.
To resolve a housing crisis that has been years in the making, it does require all stakeholders to act with urgency. And you can be assured that we'll be working diligently to deliver these new homes in Bonnyrigg and all of the homes that we are in partnership with Homes New South Wales.
The transformation is ongoing and we're really proud to be part of this Bonnyrigg community.
When this 30-year project transformation is complete, some 3,000 new dwellings will be built in this location.
It's a really nice community for everyone to settle, especially with families.
It did require quite a bold vision by the New South Wales government to embark on this renewal, and it's this sort of recipe that is going to help turn the tide of our current housing crisis.
Well, we've seen through our various estate renewals that we can't do it on our own.
The success of the Bonnyrigg Renewal demonstrates the critical importance of partnerships. It is this collaboration between the private sector, community housing and all levels of government that is the recipe for success in the delivery of housing in this country, in particular social and affordable housing.
Living in Bonnyrigg has just been transformational over the last few years.
Projects like this happen because we have really wonderful teams who share our passion, and I think that's probably the best endorsement I can give for our own organisation, Traders in Purple. Everybody is invested in the success of communities.